All right. So this is a pretty basic document here, but what I really just want to show is, as you know, we just downloaded a free trial. The next thing we're going to do is kind of start to implement Salesforce on our own. And we really want to break up what we're doing for Salesforce Sales Cloud amongst like our customer journey map, right? So this is a pretty basic customer journey map that I've drawn up. It really doesn't have a lot of writing in it. I encourage you to make your own, or really just Google, and you can find like an example of, you know, B2B customer journeys all over the place if you don't have one. But where we're going to start is awareness. So, and when we say awareness, we mean marketing efforts. So inbound leads from your website, inbound leads from a trade show, inbound leads from purchasing a list. Maybe you're going out and meeting people in person that, you know, they're aware of your company and your service, but they haven't shown intent to maybe be a buyer, right? And the things that we're going to use in Salesforce to cover this area are leads, campaigns, and campaign members. Uh, the next evolution in the sales process or the customer journey is the sales process. So to give to give them your value proposition, see if there's a general intent or interest or product market fit for your service for, that prospect. And the objects that we're going to use here are accounts, contacts, and opportunities. Opportunity being the most important object in Salesforce when we're looking at closing out a sale. Once we close a sale, we're going to move on to delivering a service and getting feedback. So the standard objects in Salesforce that we'll focus on there are opportunities, accounts, orders, and contracts. And then obviously after this is all said and done, we want to worry about retention and loyalty. How do we, support our customers? How do we get, more business from our customers? Make sure we're developing our product around our customers' case. And in this instance, we're going to use cases, accounts, contacts. We could probably throw opportunities. You could have custom objects in here, surveys and different things like that. But I'm really just breaking down the most simple version here of a customer journey to show, okay, once someone's aware of us and we're getting them into our system, in our CRM, this is where we're going to be focusing. When we're moving into a sales engagement, this is where we're going to be focusing. When we're moving over to delivering our service and getting feedback, this is where we want to be. And then ultimately, when we're looking at retention and loyalty, this is where we want to be. This is not a silver bullet. Again, once you're, a big operation and have a lot of different processes in Salesforce, this list will grow for each step. But this is really just an example and what will follow on this sample implementation.